I had a teacher in high school who ultimately inspired me to become a lawyer. Before teaching, he had been a lawyer and had accomplished all these incredible things. He was one of those teachers who didn't just teach the subject matter. He taught how to become a better student, and he raised the ceiling for everyone in our class. And in class, he was always using proverbs to reinforce the points that he was teaching. One of them was, "A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step." Now that simple idea of building something through discipline and perseverance really put things in perspective for me. Having grown up in a small town in North Carolina, those values kept me active and focused. I was an Eagle Scout and played sports year-round. Worked in the mountains in the summertime, teaching rock climbing. Played football in college and had the opportunity to study at a university in Tokyo, Japan. And I was always encouraged to be involved and to work hard, to set goals, to try to improve, sometimes to fail and to try again and get better, and then to use that experience to help others. Sometimes to try to be independent and critical in solving problems. And that process can open the door to even bigger challenges. Now, I love having the opportunity as a lawyer to help people work through complex problems. Like the idea of a 1,000-mile journey, we break down those problems piece by piece. I've practiced law now for over a decade, and I've worked in over a dozen practice areas, represented plaintiffs and defendants, worked on criminal cases, family cases, and business cases, but I'm most passionate about fighting for people who have suffered a loss or have had something taken from them. In working through loss, we get to address the most fundamental human problems every day. How do we restore dignity or punish indifference? How do we value health and freedom? And how do we do that in a civil system that works for everyone? These are basic problems, but they can be infinitely complex. We're not building rocket ships or skyscrapers, but the stakes can be just as high, and our cases can require the same level of scope and precision. And to do it well, to try to perfect it, means constantly building and working and solving problems and communicating at a high level. In our community, we have the benefit of incredible freedom, but we also face danger and risk every day because our lives constantly intersect with other people. In that process, sometimes it's easier to break the rules than to follow them. When someone doesn't follow the rules and causes harm as a result, they're responsible for the consequences, meaning they have to give back what was taken. We all face these types of challenges, and we all need guidance. My motivation every day starts and ends with family. We try to teach our children right and wrong. We try to teach them responsibility and accountability. And we try to teach them how to find order in a chaotic world and how to deal with challenges and adversity. Most importantly, we try to show them that we are capable of those same things. Every case challenges me to fight for these basic principles for our clients, to use the law to bring stability to our clients and their families, and to tell our client's story when they're not being heard, and to hold those who break the rules accountable, and sometimes to punish recklessness and reckless behavior where it threatens our community. It's one of the greatest joys in my life to do the work that we do, and I'm honored to be a part of the Derrick Law Firm team, to work every day with great people and excellent lawyers who are passionate about fighting for our clients.